Yeah, see?
Right.
Both, yes, good. Yeah. Range in the distance. They'll not be able to hear this, you'll have to speak louder because the mic's on the other side. Well, you should be down at the end. You have to go right down right to the end though. Till you go a nice green colour.
He doesn't hurt himself.
It's a bit bumpy. Oh, Christy. Does your family know you get seasick?
Yeah.
On a wharf?
No.
Oh, hang on. No, just I've got to make sure. Yep, go on. Sam. Yes, he is. Sam, get your stick. Quick, boss is going to get it. Boss is going to get it. Quick, that'll make you get it. You'll have to be quick. You'll have to be quick. Go on. Hey, there you go. There you go.
Good boy.
He's a bit nervous. You think? Now that he's remembered. Come on, darling. Come on. Kristen will jump in first, show you how it's done. Go on, Sam. Good boy. Get your stick. Go on. Get your stick. Quick. Well, you're all brave before. Quick. You wait until he's got it before you go. No, you will. I think it's time. He actually didn't. He wasn't all that keen even coming back out. He came with me. So, here you are, Chrissy. Right, now we want this chapter. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's how you want the world to remember you?
Yeah. I'm just a bit bent over. I don't want you to take a photo of it. Here. Here. I don't want to fall in either. Here.
Go on. Go on. Quick. Go on, Sambo. Sam, get your stick. Get your stick. Get your stick. Go on. Go on. Get your stick. Get your stick. Oh, Sam. Cut.